Hi there, this is Corey, and I am going to take you through the weight loss tracker that is available in my shop. This weight loss tracker is shown in the sunflowers and bees, and it is available in a couple of other designs in my shop currently, with more to come. So, anyway, when you purchase this, you'll be prompted to make a copy, which I hope that you've done already. This is the very first page, which is instructions, which can get you started. This video is just kind of to help show the ins and outs of what else the spreadsheet can do. I really love this spreadsheet because it really can do so much for you and can really keep you on track if you are starting a weight loss slash healthier lifestyle journey. This is just a great way to hold you accountable to that because it really can track a lot of things. So, anyway, so you can read through the instructions if you have any questions. Hopefully, that can get you going. So, the next page is the setup page. On here, on this very first, the top part up here, the first thing that you're going to want to do is set the year. Right now it's at 2023, and I'm going to leave it at that for this example, but you'll want to change that to 2024 or whatever year we're currently in when you buy this. Up here on the top, there's not too much else to do. Here's the monthly tab and exercise labels. You can change these, um, and it will work out. Like if you want to change it to water intake or something like that. If you do, send me a message or an email, and I will make you a separate video to show you exactly how to set that up so that it doesn't get messed up too badly. It's not too hard at all, but it would just require more than what I'm going to show in this video. You scroll down a little bit. Here is your fitness setup with all of your exercises. So you can fill out all of these. You can take a picture of this right now if you want, and so that you can get a good starting place. But these are just some examples that I've thrown in here. I'm going to throw in one more. I'm going to throw in my favorite, step aerobics. Um, so, like I said, you can fill out all of the exercises in there. And then down below, you can fill out your meals. If you are planning on healthy eating, you can find some recipes. You can put in the nutrients um, down here. It doesn't hold recipes, but you put in the name of the recipe and then, this information about it down here. And I'll show you in a minute where that comes in. So that's all you need to fill out on this page. The next page is your measurement tracker. So you can set your goals here. You can put the date that you're starting and take all of your measurements, your weight, neck, chest, waist, left arm, left wrist, left thigh, left calf, right calf, and then select your target date. So the end of the month, you want to be at this weight, these measurements, and then you can update it to see how you're progressing. Like halfway through the month, you can put in your measurements and see how you're doing, and that will reflect here and show you how close you are to your goals that you've set for yourself for the month. And this is just a measurement log where you can do it every day, week, however you see fit. The next page, moving on, is a conversion tracker. It doesn't really do anything. It just is a quick reference for conversions. Okay, next is the monthly fitness tracker. The very first thing you're going to want to do is select your month. If your year is not set up properly, your dates here won't populate in the correct spot. I'm going to use November here, but I'm going to change this just to January to let you see how the dates change. So here we go, Sunday, um, the 1st of January in 2023 was a Sunday, so it populated there. I'm going to go back to November. Okay. You're going to want to put in your height. You're going to want to choose how you're measuring pounds, kilograms. You're also, if you're using the food um, healthy eating trackers, you can put in how many calories per day that you would like to eat. So you put that in here. Um, you can add in a photo at the beginning of the month and at the end of the month. All you would do is you can click there. You would go to image, insert image over cells, and it will take you to upload your photo. And then you can adjust it very easily and stick it right in that spot. So if you put a photo right there, and then at the end of the month, then you can put your photo there. You put in your starting weight at the end of the month, put in your ending weight. It calculates your BMI for you and shows you how that has changed. Here is a weight log that you can keep throughout the month. If you weigh yourself every couple of days, it's not enough to do every single day, but every couple of days you can add in your weight, and it'll show you, more closely how your BMI is changing. Now, this calendar right here, you don't do anything. Everything in here will auto populate from the weeks ahead that we're going to fill out. So notice that I don't have anything listed here. I don't have any of my exercises. I don't have my sleep, and I don't have my energy listed because we're going to fill that out together on the next page. But when you fill it out, we'll come back and it'll start to populate and show you what you did do and all of those stats. So let's go on. The rest of the spreadsheet is your weekly plans. So we have 6 of them. And I have 6 because sometimes there's the weird week at the end where there's a Sunday, Monday in there. So let's go to week 1. And since we chose November in our monthly fitness tracker, these automatically populate your days for that week. So if we go to week 2, you'll notice that it's the 6th through the 12th. If we go to 3, you'll notice that it's the 13th through the 19th. So let's go back to week 1. You can add your starting weight for the week. It will calculate your BMI. Your ending weight pre-populates as you fill in your weight log. You can put, this should say 11, 24 because it thinks it's 2024. Okay, well, I'll fix that later, but pretend that says 11/1/23. And you would put every day of the week in here, the 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th for this week. And then you can put your weight in every day and it will show you the change in the BMI. It has a medication and habit tracker. You can put in whatever you want here and track it. And your weekly review at the end of the week, you can reflect on these things and give them a rating. So if you work out, like I had a really good workout week, I'm going to give that a 5. I had a really terrible diet dieting week, so I'm going to give that a 3. And you can just keep going down the list. Um, Back up here to our weekly workout plan, and meal plan is down here too. If November 1st does not start on Monday, you will not see anything come up here. There's nothing here. There's nothing on Tuesday. November the 1st began on a Wednesday. So that is where our calendar starts. And this is what we're going to fill in, and it will populate on the monthly fitness tracker. So let's just go through and fill out. I'm going to say sleep, 7 hours. I'm going to say energy, high energy. If you are having a rest day and you're not working out, you would just mark this box and it would gray it out. And then that reflects later and it shows in your stats how many rest days you had during the month and the week. All right, but we're not having a rest day this day. For our workout, we are going to do chest exercises. We are going to do legs, and we are going to do our back. And then down here in the exercises will pre-populate with the exercises that you put in specifically for these areas. So if you like arm exercises will not show up here if you did not choose arms up here for your muscle groups. So you can just, you can fill these out how you do them with the exercise, the weight, the set, the reps, rest time. And then when you complete it, you can mark it off. Down here is your cardio and aerobics. There's my step aerobics I added in. So you can fill that out. That was medium, and it was 30 minutes. Down below is our meals. So I filled out a couple of meals previously, and so you can just select that. Like for breakfast, I'm going to have a spinach and egg scramble, and it automatically populates the nutrition facts that I put in. Lunch, hummus and Greek salad, and for dinner, garlic butter roasted salmon with potatoes and asparagus. So here, and it shows up here how many calories. Before it said that I wanted in my monthly fitness tracker, I didn't change that I wanted to eat 1,200 calories a day. So by that plan, I'm not doing very well because I over ate my calories. So that's why it's showing that little orange sad face. I guess he's sad. And then when you go back to your monthly fitness tracker, here it pre-populates with all the things that we're tracking and we put in our in our daily stats. So you're going to go through every day and you're going to do, you're going to fill this out however you see fit. If you go week at a time, if you want to, plan the whole month out, great. What I do suggest is having one per month. Make copies of this and then keep one folder in your Google Drive so that you can fill this out completely. And then for every month, November, December, January, February, March, whatever. And then you can see your progress across the months. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to reach out to me and ask. I would love to help you. And I possibly would make a video, excuse me, make a video for you to show you how to do something. Because you know that if you have the question, I'm sure somebody else does as well. So I hope you enjoy this. spreadsheet, and I hope you get really good use out of it. I will see you in the next video.